I have these 3 starter decks. When you open each box, this is what you'll find inside. They have this reply card. Ooh, no postage necessary. They want to know your information. Here is the card game, the rules, a little packet here that you can get into. The game board, of course, the box it was in. We have these 2 thick packages and a booster pack. But what we are interested in today is trying to find some holograms. And here is where we will start. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Always got to do the intro. Do me a favor, let me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, I'm going to grab this one first. Alright, so here are a bunch of flavor cards. Are all of these flavor cards? Here we go. Alright, now here on the bottom left of the card, these are the card numbers. There's 200 total cards in the set. Now we're looking for numbers 197, 198, 199, and 200. And let's see if it talks about it. Yeah, here you go. Premier Edition PEZ Dispenser Game Cards. 9 randomly assorted dispenser cards. Everyone loves PEZ. Oh, that's an exclamation point, not an I. Sorry about that. I'm trying to read through the camera. Now you can collect and trade these colorful cards. Look how colorful. That are based on actual PEZ dispensers. The more cards you have, the more fun it is to play the PEZ card game. Ultra rare card odds, approximately 1 in 36. To play the PEZ card game, players must have a starter deck of 120 cards. Game for ages 8 and up. Ooh, I can play. Interesting. Let's see. 2000? Really? I didn't realize these have been out that long. Cool. All right. So let us see what cards we have here. We got Peter and a chicken. Chick with hat. Chicken egg. And a snowman, bubble man, safari crocodile, Happy Henry. See, and this is kind of cool because you can learn the names of some of the PEZ dispensers. That's Barney Bear. Get out of here. But you can learn the names of some of the dispensers. Like She-Sore. Did you know that that was She-Sore and that was the name of that dispenser? And that this is Fly-Sore? Huh. That should be Fattier Bunny. Ah! Okay, and then I have a pumpkin, a lion, eyesore. There's an eyesore. And a lamb. Okay. So we didn't get it in the big pack there. Okay, so I guess these packs over here, because these cards here are the flavor cards, these are all going to be your flavor cards. And then in each one of these, they're going to contain so many of these cards. Because on the back, see that? All right. Well, let's open my booster pack. Maybe I have 1 in 36 here. Wow, it takes me back to opening baseball cards back in the day. All right. Chick with hat. PEZ Pal Boy. Icy Bear in the house. So is the skull. Parrot whistle. That rooster card's kind of funny there. Ooh, the octopus. Mimic the monkey. Ooh, a giraffe. I do enjoy the giraffe PEZ dispenser. All right, so those were the cards that we got. So we didn't get any holograms there. But I still have 2 more packs left. Let me see what is inside this one. Ooh, that'd be so cool. These are redeemable for actual dispensers. Would love to redeem this card. The hippo, the PEZ girl. That's Barney Bear. Ugh. The safari lion again. The skull. We have plenty of skulls. Hear that, Jim? We're coming after you. A knight. Another funny rooster. Mr. Ugly has entered the card game. Ooh, and a psychedelic flower. Wow, that's worth a lot of points. It's a higher number card. But still, no holograms. This is my last chance. So in the booster packs, I'm pretty sure is the only place where the holograms are available. The holograms are of 2 of them are a space trooper, and 2 of them are one of the dinosaurs. I'm going to say Hesaur, but that is what they are. All right. The Safari Hippo. A Valentine heart. Hesaur. Ooh, the frog whistle. The dog whistle. He's a grillin'. That's funny. Speaking of funny, the rooster playing golf. Mr. Ugly. Oh, and a one-eyed monster. Is that an eye hanging? Oh, no, he has a spider on him. One-eyed monster. Ooh, the bride. Wow, she's some big points. That's card number 180. We're getting closer. Oh, we didn't get it. But not for not trying. That's 3 down. Only 29 more to go. Anybody have 29? I need to find a whole box. That's what we need to do. Or maybe we can play this game later. We'll see. So until next time.